Hey guys, welcome back. Is your mechanical watch running too fast or too slow? If so, it could be possible, but it needs regulation, or it needs to be serviced. But for the most part, maybe it needs to be demagnetized. But before we get into it guys, please click that subscribe button so that you don't miss any tips like these. A magnetized watch is a watch that has been exposed to magnet. It could be from your appliances, TV, refrigerators, and even through scanners, the airports, and that could be a possibility that your watch is gaining or losing time. As you can see here, I previously bought this watch, if you see my video, and it was gaining a lot of time, around like 1 minute a day. And at first, I didn't want to regulate it. What I recommend is demagnetizing the watch first before regulating it. And if it still runs abysmal even after demagnetizing the watch, then that's the time that you regulate or service the watch. But for the most part, these brand new watches usually just need demagnetizing. What I have in front of you is what you need to demagnetize a watch. This is a Demagnetizer, and this is fairly cheap, about $5, and you can use it on all of your mechanical watches. And you need a Lepsi app, and this is for the iPhone only, unfortunately, so sorry Android users. And a magnetized watch. This watch is magnetized. It could be, as I've said earlier, through putting it near appliances or even your phone, it can magnetize it. Alright, so for example, here I have an AirPod. And if I put it close, if you can see that, it is sensitive. It can even detect it. Magnetism detected. You can see that because this part right here of the AirPod is magnetized. And if I put the watch, you don't need to touch the screen. See, when I put it near, maybe about 2 centimeters, it detects it. This area right here of the phone has the magnet, and this app tells you when there's magnetism. So this watch is magnetized, clearly, and maybe that's why it's losing time or gaining time, right? What we're gonna do now is demagnetize it. So by doing that, it's simply putting it here, right? Let's move it, and let me show you. You just have to press this button. See, it turns red. It's basically vibrating this area right here. Just leave the watch there. I'm gonna press this for 10 seconds. All right, 3, 2, 1, and go. And as I'm reaching 10-second mark, I'm gonna pull it up while pressing, and let's hope that it is demagnetized. Let's see. So for reference, here is the AirPods again, and this time back to the watch. All right, it seems to be gone. All right, that's good. It's as simple as that. And it's a cheap thing to buy to improve the accuracy of your watch. I mean, these Seikos, they usually claim 45 plus and minus 30, but when you demagnetize it, it turns into COSC certified. Well, for the most part. But there you have it, guys. That's just a quick tip for you. And maybe if you're worried that your Seiko or your automatic watch is running too fast or too slow, maybe you just need to demagnetize it. No, it's a cheap option, and you just need a phone, well, an iPhone, as I've said, and a magnetized watch, and you're good to go. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.